channel.
This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
We are going to be deep cleaning our apartment today because the new year is approaching us. It is December 29th, Sunday. I usually like to clean on Saturdays, but yesterday was just like a super busy day and it was just a lot that was going on. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time your girl is back posting on YouTube. You shouldn't clean on the 31st or the 1st of the year. I guess you could say I'm superstitious. I don't know. I just wouldn't do it.
I just got this little laundry sorter so I can be a little bit more organized when it comes to my laundry. We're gonna build it right now and then separate our laundry to wash our clothes.
I have been looking for a laundry hamper sorter like this probably for the past 2 months, and every one that I stumbled across was $60 or better. Thank God I went to Walmart, the store that I hate the most. They had a laundry sorter for $13, and I was looking at a different one for about $20, and I just felt like this one is just way better than the regular laundry hamper. Me and building things honestly do not go together, and I really hate that for me because every time I try to build something, I can never just build it on my own. It gets to the point where my boyfriend, he sees me struggling and he's just like, you know what, I'm just not gonna let my girlfriend struggle, so I need to help her. I need to see what is going on and figure this out for her so she doesn't get stressed out, because this thing right here was stressing me out.
Bro, this shit is pissing me off.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And y'all see how he's just sitting here laughing at me. Broke people should never laugh. It was not funny. But since he wanted to do all that laughing, I just let him take over and just handle the whole thing because, baby, since it was so funny, come figure it out. Another reason why I was kind of hesitant on buying a laundry hamper, our closet, one, is not that big, and then two, I also wanted the hamper to be able to fit in this little closet right here, which was a task because the closet is not that big either. I have wigs everywhere. Just things just everywhere, and it needs to be organized. So now I'm just putting my wigs up in this little cheer bag from high school, and honestly I don't really care where my wigs get stored at. I'm not that much of a wig girly to where I'm just like, oh my gosh, I have to protect my wigs. I really don't care about any of them, honestly. Sometimes I can be very delusional, and this was one of my delusional moments. I definitely thought that this hamper was going to be able to fit in this closet, but anybody that has taken any basic geometry class would have been able to tell you that this is not going to fit. But I did not let that stop me at all. I actually wound up switching around some things in my closet. So y'all see all these clothes that are right here? All of these clothes were literally sitting at the bottom of my closet, just on the floor, and that's exactly why I needed a freaking laundry hamper, because we will let our clothes just pile up and not care about it at all until we can barely open the door or barely walk in the closet. So I love starting off with white clothes because I feel like, you know, this is my delusion again. I feel like when I bleach my white clothes, it kind of bleaches the entire washer and it makes it clean for my other wash cycles. Not gonna lie, after I put the cycle in, I was like, dang, I really should have started off with my bedding first because we were planning on going out this night and I didn't want to come home with no bedding to sleep on, so I should have put this one in first, but I was able to, you know, make it shake, do something before we left the house. I'm all about comfortability and just feeling like you're sleeping on clouds. If you haven't, invest in a mattress topper. It is honestly a life changer. Even if your mattress is super soft, the mattress topper just makes you feel like you're sleeping on clouds. Some people, they don't like it. My boyfriend's not that big of a fan of it, but honestly, it's my bed and it's not his. No, I'm just kidding. I do have a duvet. The duvet insert is a king size. It's 2 of them inside of a queen size duvet. I did this to make the bed look extra fluffy, like a hotel bed, especially when it's made. We typically don't sleep with the duvet though. We have a quilt on our bed that we sleep with, or our loose sheets. I just hate how many loads of laundry I usually have to do. It's usually like 4 or 5 different loads, and it takes hours. This was at like 6 o'clock at night. Baby is about to mop the floors. He always mops the floors. That's just his job, his duty. Sweep mop, that's his thing. I take care of the laundry. That's the good thing about living with your partner. Everything gets split. Chores get split, unless your partner is just like, oh girl, you're gonna do everything. 9 times out of 10, he will help you out with at least something. Well, I can only speak for me and my man.
As you can see, I'm getting ready to mop the floor. My face just won't leave me alone. If you wonder what I'm using, I like to use a little bit of bleach and this lemony vegan substance that gets the floor very clean and has it smelling good. I know I had to throw my J's on, so I won't leave no marks on the floor. These just my slippers, but high fashion wherever I go. You feel me?
And he is using the Cedar, the O Cedar dual mop, the one that separates the dirty water and the clean water. We've used both of them. My personal preference is this one, just because you're not like re-mopping the floor with dirty water. It actually, you know, it goes to the bottom. I just feel like it's better, and it just sounds cleaner, and it just sounds like you're not gonna be mopping dirty mop water all over your floor, and your whole entire floor is gonna be basically dirty again. Remember how I told y'all we were going out this night? I literally have my outfit on to go to the club. And before we left to the club, I had to stand on business. And baby, I was not finna be sleeping on no mattress tonight. So of course we had to put our sheets on the bed. These sheets are from Amazon 9 times out of 10. If they're not from Amazon, they're from somewhere else. I honestly don't remember. We've had them for so long at this point. We were trying to figure out which corner of the sheets go on which corner of the mattress, but we figured it out because we have these little pockets on our sheets that kind of help us see which corner goes where and how the sheet should be on the bed. So this is the flat sheet that I was talking about that we normally sleep with. So we're not gonna tuck that in. We actually didn't really make our bed fully this night because we still had a couple of things that needed to get dry. We got these goose feather pillows out of Costco. They were actually a really good price. I don't remember the price of them, but it was 2 for 1. And baby, okay, oh, I guess that was his version of fluffing out the pillows. So the next morning, I was actually dreading cleaning. Like, I really did not want to clean, but I was like, you know what? Like, I'm going to tackle this, get this out of the way like I said I was going to do. So I jumped right into the toilet. I'm using the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner and a little bit of Comet. I know they say not to mix your chemicals together, mix different cleaning products together, but I do it. If it's too many fumes, I guess something is going to have to kill me because I like to know that my stuff is, like, super clean. And just the toilet bowl cleaner alone, like, I feel like it just doesn't get everything like how the toilet bowl cleaner and the Comet does. Y'all need to clean the back of this on y'all's toilet. We don't have like the bottom thing. This is like the back thing. This is how you know somebody's toilet is nasty or not. I wanted to make sure that I wiped everything down, so I wanted to take everything off this first shelf, which is our facial care shelf. This is like a tongue twister for me to say, but anyways, I wanted to clean this off because that's our go-to shelf. Like, that probably has like a lot of water stains on it from just, you know, grabbing the soap, grabbing whatever your hands are wet. So I just wanted to wipe everything down and make sure nothing was dusty. Like, I need this house to be spotless for the new year. bathroom literally looks amazing. It looks so spotless right now. Everything looks so clean, especially with that candle lit. It really gives like a moody type of vibe. If you have a duvet and you don't know this hack, do this immediately the next time that you want to put your duvet insert inside of your duvet. You just lay everything flat on the bed. You tie all the corners together. Once all the corners are tied together and secure, you roll everything down to the side or to the end that is open. So the open end, you'll literally just flip everything inside out and then you'll shake it. I did clean out my refrigerator. We do not have a whole bunch of like junk food in our refrigerator. We don't eat a lot of junk like that. We are mainly an ingredients household. We have ingredients to make certain things. So if you feel like our refrigerator looks like it's a little sparse, it's not. We just have ingredients in there. But of course, to clean a fridge, you have to take literally everything out. And that's the part of cleaning a fridge that I hate. But I did get to wash these shelves by hand, so I was happy about that. I sprayed everything down with Lysol. Of course, at this point, Lysol needs to give me a sponsorship. Like, I use everything Lysol. There were so many crumbs inside this refrigerator, but honestly, I haven't cleaned this fridge since September, and I thought it was going to be a lot worse. Don't judge me for not cleaning it for that long, but I definitely thought it was going to be a lot worse in here. Like, it was not bad at all. And I had that little red bowl with water so I can like clean off my sponge like as I was going, and I just didn't like so it wouldn't get too soapy on the walls of the fridge. I did remove everything on the door panel too, along with the little bucket things, whatever they're called. I removed everything, reorganized everything. This is everything that came out of the fridge. A lot of this I had to decompress. Like, there was a lot of cheeses that were just open that could have been put into one Ziploc bag. So I just put everything into their own little containers to make it make sense. Baby is cleaning the oven now. He actually bought something new to clean the oven. I want to say it was the pink stuff, and he let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours while we were out. We stepped out earlier before we came back and cleaned again, and he just let it sit there while we were out. He's cleaning it with a Brillo pad. I can't say the oven did look pretty spotless after he cleaned it. The fridge is looking nice and clean. If y'all have any fridge hacks, organization hacks for the fridge, please comment them down below, because I need my fridge to look a little bit better. I high-key want to get rid of every condiment. The entire house is looking and smelling its best for the new year. If you guys enjoyed this video and if it was satisfying to watch, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This distance is taking a hold of me for sure.